Okay, guys, we're going to start off now this week with looking at slope-intercept form in words, in a word problem. I know we hate words, but it's okay. It's really something that you just got to, all the stuff we're doing, we just kind of have to just dig into your brain. You've seen it before, and let's just kind of refresh ourselves a little bit. So when you look at number one, go ahead and read it to yourself. In order to join a dancing club, there is a $30 startup fee and a $4 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models this situation. So let's go ahead and refresh our mind on what is slope-intercept form. In high school, it's going to look just like this. Okay. But right now, with you guys, it is actually going to be, with me, I would always write slope x plus y intercept. And I would even draw a circle here. That's your y-intercept. That's your starting point. And your slope, if you remember, I would put clouds around it. Because if I was to graph something, your first step in graphing would be like to plot the y-intercept, wherever it is. That would be like 1, 2, 3. If this is 1, 2, 3. And then what if I went up 1, up 2, over 1, over 2, over 3? And that's my line. So my slope would be 2 over 3. I went up 2 over 3. And then I was at the y-intercept at 3. And that's what this stuff kind of looks like. And you are familiar with this. You could totally handle this, okay? So now, let me just get this out of your way a little bit. I will keep this up here. Y equals something, x plus something. Again, this is a slope. This is your y-intercept. Please write this down in your notebook. Your slope is your rise and run or fall and run. And your y-intercept is your starting point. Whatever the starting, I'm going to put starting value. What did you start with? What did you start with? So let's read that first problem again. In order to join a dancing club, there's a startup fee, a $30 startup fee. Is that your slope or is that your y-intercept? I just told you starting value. Your starting value is plus 30. Okay? Look, I wrote that. And it's $4 per month. Whenever you see slope, let me get rid of this here. And I want you to think of whenever you see slope, if it's a per or if it's a each, every, each, every. Those are your key words to tell you that it's slope. This says $4 monthly fee. So it doesn't really say the per. I put $4 per month idea, but it's going to be $4 per month. What if I didn't want to put X? It says per month. Could I put M? Okay. And either one of these would be perfect. All right. That is a great start to this. Let's go to the second one. In order to join an online community, there is a $20 startup fee and a $5 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models this equation. Go ahead and do that. Y equals plus 20, right? Startup fee. I know they have a lot of fees in this word. I don't like that because there's two different fees in here. Cross that out. $20 startup cost and a $5 monthly. Okay. Or you could have done it the same way, 5x plus 20. All right. Not too tough. You guys got this. All right. Now, in order to become a member of the Library All-Stars Club, All-Star Members Club, there is a $40 sign-up fee and a $2 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models the situation. Go for it. You can pay $40 to start, and it's $2 per month. Okay? Use the equation you wrote in problem 3 to find the total cost of being an all-star library member for 19 months. Interesting. Use the equation you wrote in problem 3 to find the total cost of being an all-star library member for 19 months. So if I wrote this down again, what's the information I have? That's the only thing they gave. Use a problem in number 3, and then they say this 19 months. Well, where would I put 19? Would I replace it with where the months are? I put 19 right here, and that's how you solve these kinds of problems. It's pretty crazy. I know 20 times 2 is 40. 19 times 2 is going to be 38. You're going to take 2 off. So 38 plus the 40. 40 plus 38 equals 78. I want you guys getting the hang of these. In high school, you're going to have to do these, guys. And your first semester is going to be a little different. I mean, just it's going to be probably part of this online stuff and then part face-to-face. All right, guys? So now let's look at number 6. Suppose that a bike rents for $4 plus $1.50 per hour. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models the situation. Go for it on your own. I put $1.50 per H per hour plus $4. Okay. Suppose the equation, or it says use the equation you wrote in problem 6 to complete the table. And what is all of this? Hours. Where am I going to put the 2? Right there. I put 2 here. What's 2 times $1.50? If I have $1.50 plus $1.50, that's $3. What's $3 plus $4? $7. See where I'm going there? Could you guys try to finish the table for me? All right, for this next one. Where would I put the 4? Right here. Use your calculator if you need to. All right. 4 times $1.50. 6 times $1.50. All right. And 8 times $1.50. I know if 2 times $1.50 is $3, 4 times $1.50 is going to be $6, right? So then 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. All right. And if you needed to get your calculator out, it's fine. Go for it. If it's 4, it's $10, right? Wait a minute. Did I screw that up? Hold on. I was correct. I was going a little off there. But if I have the next one, 6 times, if I put that for the 6, it actually becomes 9. And 9, or actually, excuse me, you put the 6 here, and it equals 9 when you multiply it. 6 times $1.50. And you add the 4 there, you're going to get 13. And then do that last one for me. Plug in 8 here. 8 times $1.50, you're going to get 12. You're going to get 16. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead and go to what you're going to be having to do after this. I'm going to show you some of these problems. All right. So for this one, you shouldn't have any issues with this guy. Mr. Z is starting his own car club. There's a $30 join-up fee and a $5 monthly fee. $30 join-up fee, starting fee, $30 starting. Is a $30 going here or here? See, I love the way this problem looks, because if you don't know what you're talking about, it's going to become very evident. I want to see good scores on this quizzes. I don't want to see you guys just guessing. That's trash. I want you to actually work. So, yep, $30 is here, join-up fee, plus $5 monthly. They could have put an M for that X. We're good? Cool. This is going to be your quizzes. Oops, I don't want to show answers. Here we go. Now, it already showed you $4 plus $1.50. This is interesting. Didn't we just have one just like this? All right. And as I keep going, oops, I want to go down to the bottom ones here. Let's see. This is your quizzes you're going to be doing. It's not too crazy until we start getting into the bottom ones where it asks you, like this one here is a great one. And I'll just go ahead and screen this so we can take a look at it right on it. All right, so if I was looking at this one here, I'm going to first, for babysitting, Nicole charges a flat fee, starting value, flat fee. So if I'm writing my equation, plus 3, plus $5 per hour. That per is everything. That's your slope. That's your slope. Write an equation for the cost C after H of hours of babysitting. How much money will she make in 5 hours? Okay, where am I going to put that 5 hours? Well, how about where the hours is? If I put that there, 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28 hours. Boom. All right. You can do this. Don't think it's too difficult just because you have to read. All right. You guys got this. It's not too crazy. All right. We'll do one more. All right. So let me go ahead and do this screen here. And if we're going to look at this one, a plumber. Now, plumbers are crazy. They always charge you, even just to come out to your house to look at something, they're going to charge you a fee. Plumbers make good money at times when they're actually having to charge people and charge them per hour plus the fee. A plumber can make good money, but they also have to deal with a lot of Nonsense. So all right. Now, if we're going to be a plumber, charges $20 for a service call plus $50 an hour of service. What is the starting fee? What am I charged right away before I even call the plumber and get to my house? Well, finally, when I do call it, gets to my house, I already have to pay 25 bucks. Then, if my plumber's there for an hour, I pay another 50 per hour. Okay? Write an equation in slope-intercept form, and then what will be the total cost of 8 hours? Wow, it's a lot of hours. 8 hours of work. Where do I put the 8? Where the hours is, okay? I know 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 50 is going to be 400. Plus the 25, just to get him out of the house, it's going to be $425. Do the best you can on the rest of this. You got this, okay? Take your time.